At number 1 is the white Dreo Smart Ceiling Fan CLF521S, the most complete option for a large bedroom or living room. Its 132-centimetre span reaches 5,673 CFM according to the brand. The remote provides 6 speeds, while the app expands that to 12, adds 3 modes, and supports scheduling. It also works with Alexa and Google Home. For sleeping, Dreo lists 22 decibels in its UK specification, and the light dims to 1%. The 24-watt LED produces 1,900 lumens through the diffuser and adjusts from 2,700 to 6,500 Kelvin. Its strength is the precision available for airflow, light, and control. Its weaknesses are the price, a 52-inch size that will not suit every room, and smart connectivity that is wasted if you only use the remote. Even so, it takes first place because it demands the fewest compromises when you want a complete solution. Its purchase link is in the description.